JP Fitness family, what is going on? Today we are back in the kitchen and we are whipping up some amazing blueberry pancakes that are going to be awesome, and of course they're going to be high in protein and fit your macros so much better than what you're going to find in a box.
And your mama ain't got nothing on this, y'all.
So if y'all are ready to get this party started, you know what time it is. Let's get it! Alright y'all, we are going to get these ingredients put together. I've already got everything weighed out, and if you look down in the description below on this video, I'll have your shopping list for what you need exactly for this recipe. That way it makes it easier on you guys, and you can just follow along, whip it up. I'm sure you've already made pancakes at least once in your life, so we're going to make some better ones for you, ones that you can enjoy and not feel bad about eating, even if it's the entire stack.
You know how I like to do.
Alright y'all, so what we need: whole wheat flour, protein of choice, boom, some egg whites, one slightly brown banana, baking powder, blueberries, can't have blueberry pancakes without blueberries, and some sugar-free syrup. Now like I said guys, I've already weighed all this out, so you will need your food scale in order to do this. Make sure that you get everything properly weighed out, and we are also going to need a blender. So if you guys don't have a Ninja blender yet, this one is the bomb. I would highly recommend getting the Ninja. So for a lot of these recipes guys, you're gonna need a good blender. Spend a little extra money, $20 or $30 blender is just not gonna cut it. Get that Ninja. All right y'all, we are gonna need 30 grams of our whole wheat flour. We're just gonna drop everything directly into the blender and let it do all the work for us. 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 2 scoops of protein of choice. I'm using a toasted cinnamon cereal for this one. I think it'll make it taste pretty good. 92 grams of egg whites, and a banana. I've got our blueberries already weighed out as well, but we're gonna set that aside and drop those directly on the pancakes as we make them. Very simple recipe guys. We're gonna have everything put in our blender, pop the top on, and we're gonna give it a little spin. I like to hit the pulse a few times just to get everything kind of sit down in the bottom. And then let's let it go. So some of the stuff likes to get stuck to the side of the blender container. We're going to take a spatula and just push it down in there and let it go for a little bit longer. We'll make sure we get it all down in there, because guys, these are calories that we have accounted for and we don't want to waste any of them. So we want to get it all down in here and get it nice and mixed up. Pop top back on and blend it for probably another 20-30 seconds on low. So there you go guys, we got our batter made up, really quick, easy, simple, nothing to it. We are going to move over to the skillet, which I have preheating. It's about medium heat. So what I like to do guys is, after I get my batter blended up, take this off and we're going to drop it down in this bowl. It just makes it easier working out of this bowl, I think, rather than this guy. And we can scrape everything out of here beforehand, before we start cooking, to hopefully not waste any of it. So I think we did a pretty good job of getting it all out of there. Alright guys, so we're going to move on over to our preheated skillet and start whipping these bad boys up. I'm hungry. Pan's nice and hot, y'all. I like to use this flat, square griddle pan. I normally do like 4 equal sized pancakes on here. Let's see how many we can get out of this. Almost forgot. Give her a quick shot. Turn the heat down a little bit. That boy is hot. We'll grab our blueberries and just take a handful, kind of evenly put them on here, like so. Something like that. And we're gonna let this cook, guys, until you start seeing the bubbles kind of popping up through the pancakes, and then you'll see the edge start getting a little hard, you know, as it cooks, and then we know it's time to flip it over. Flipped our pancakes over. We're gonna let them sit here and cook for probably another minute or so, and I'll check the bottom of them in a second, see if they're ready to come off. Ooh, they're looking good. Excited for this, guys. All right, y'all, we've got 4 so far. I think we can get at least another 4 out of this batter. Make sure you scrape it all out of there, guys. Don't waste any of that. It's all calories that we have tracked and decided that we have already eaten. It is about time to flip this second batch over. We did only get 3 more out of this, so the entire recipe gives us 7 pancakes. Give you the breakdown on it here in just a minute. Golly, they look and smell so good though. Y'all have to try this recipe. Absolutely have to. Let these things cook up for another minute or so, and then we will take them off, and then it's time to eat. All right, y'all, they're looking about done. We're gonna go ahead and pull them off of here. Belly's getting hungry just looking at them. They smell so good. You get that banana kind of smell along with the blueberries and the cinnamon. It's gonna be delicious, y'all. So check it out, guys. We have a few extra blueberries I didn't actually put in the pancakes. We're just gonna put them right on top, just to make it look pretty. You know, we gotta dress it up for y'all to want to click on a video and look at it, you know. Nobody wants to click on the video unless we get a good thumbnail, so I gotta make a good thumbnail for you guys. Make it look all pretty, all fancy. So here it is, the blueberry banana pancakes. And oh man, they look so good. Look at that. Beautiful stack of hot cakes. Can't wait to bite into it. Guys, look at that stack of pancakes. They smell and look amazing, and I cannot wait to bite into them. But we're missing something. Can't have pancakes without syrup. Of course, we're gonna use some sugar-free, and that way keeps the calories down, still get that sweet taste to it. I calculated for about 2 servings of this stuff. I'm not gonna actually measure it out. This was the last time I calculated for 2 servings, and it's really not that much. So got a good idea how much I'm actually putting on there. We're just gonna drizzle it on there, and wow, that looks awesome. We gotta get in for a closer view. Wait, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and take the first bite. Straight down all of them. Let's see how it looks inside. Some of that syrup on there. Whew. Look at that beauty right there. Man. Oh. That's right, all 7, 1 bite. I gotta get another bite. I'll be right back. One more. Oh, so good. So good. Got the blueberry taste, a little bit of banana taste in the background. Typical thick pancake. I'm telling you, this is gonna fill you up, guys. And it's not gonna break the bank on your diet. show y'all the money shot. All right, y'all, sip of water. Whew. Wash some pancakes down. Before I finish this, I'm gonna go ahead and tell y'all the stats on this bad boy. This full stack of pancakes. If you eat this entire thing exactly how we made it, you are looking at 568 calories, 64 grams of protein, 70 grams of carbs, 6 grams of fat, and 23 grams of sugar if you do it exactly like this. Now, there's no rules here, guys. You can split this up, adjust it to how it fits in your program. Now, if we split it up into each individual pancake, you're looking at per pancake 81 calories, 9 grams of protein, 10 grams of carbs, less than 1 gram of fat, and 3 grams of sugar. That's per pancake. So split it up, eat 2 or 3, save the other ones for later, you know? Like, it doesn't have to be this entire stack. It will be for me because I'm gonna eat it and I'm hungry and it fits in my program. So, like I said, make it fit for you guys. If you need help with your program, look down in the description of this video. My email's in there, shoot me an email and we can come up with a plan for you. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. I hope you try it out. Please tag me in any pictures that you take and happen to put on Facebook, Instagram, whatever it may be. You can find my links down below in the description along with the grocery list for this recipe. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. I hope you try it. And let me know, put a comment on this video if you are not already subscribed to my channel. Smash that subscribe button, guys. This is going to help me out tremendously. In order for me to grow, the algorithm wants to see that there are subscribers and there are viewers and that you like the content. So also give me a like on the video, hit that button and drop a comment down below. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Enjoy the rest of it. We'll catch you on the next one. I love you and appreciate each and every one of you. Peace!